Hello, my name is Jimmy Lee Johnson, son of William, son of Clark, and I'm getting ready to go do a Viking presentation and first book premiere. And I'm showing you right here, this stuff here is some giveaways. There's going to be a coloring competition, and this is for the fifth graders to win. They can also get one of these little peace rune coins that I made with YMIRA and my name on the backside. Over here, there's larger ones because we're going to perform a Viking shield wall with all those shields over there. And those participants will get a little coin like this. I'm going to give the school a little keepsake. Maybe the principal will want that. I don't know. We'll see. It's wood burned, engraved. And then I have a couple extra special tokens here with YMIRA and my name on the back. And that is YMIRA's clan crest that I made. You can see it on the shield. Here's my helmet, and it is heavy. This thing, it weighs a ton. And my antlers, I can't forget my shield. Sorry, the video is a little shaky. I have my leg wraps and boots. A book I want to give away. There's going to be face paint, and there's my handcuffs. Oh, look at that. It has YMIRA carved on that, and a little dragon. And that's the stuff over there. It's a lot to go through. I don't have time to go through all of that. And here, Bluetooth, and that's a traditional tunic. I'm personally going to wear this one. It's a linen. My cape is hanging back there, and here is the Viking shields I made with YMIRA's clan crest on it, and my bone comb and other things, and horn. Okay, we'll see what happens. I put extra effort into this premiere to help spread the word to everyone, and they're doing a big coloring competition with pages from my book, and that's upside down. And then afterwards, they're gonna get some more pages to color to take home with them. Well, I hope they enjoy it. And oh, did you see the hairdryer? I have to use that for the drum. It's a little sounds strange, so I blast with the hairdryer to stretch it back out. Okay, wish me luck. I'll let you know how this goes. May your ancestors be praised.